The 31st of October, Rashtriya Ekta Diwas or National Unity Day. National Unity Day is celebrated every year on the 31st of October, since 2014 in India. This day is observed in the memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Iron Man of India. He had played an important role in unifying the country. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played important role in the unifying of India and made it Ek Bharat, unity in diversity. Share these wishes, quotes and messages with your family and friends on Rashtriya Ekta Diwas.
On this day of national pride and honor, I wish you many congratulations and hope that you celebrate this day with your head held high and feel honored to be a citizen of this nation. We are humans, and we are all the same. Let's come together and celebrate National Unity Day. By common endeavor, we can raise the country to new greatness, while a lack of unity will expose us to fresh calamities. The country will become great only when unity will become our identity. Happy Rashtriya Ekta Diwas. We have tried to overcome our weaknesses honestly and in a definite manner. The proof, if any proof is needed, is Hindu-Muslim unity. There is something unique in this soil, which despite many obstacles has always remained the abode of great souls. The war started by Mahatma Ji is against two things, the government and secondly against oneself. The former kind of war is closed, but the latter shall never cease. It is meant for self-purification. No distinctions of caste and creed should hamper us. All are the sons and daughters of India. We should all love our country and build our destiny on mutual love and help. A war based on satyagraha is always of two kinds. One is the war we wage against injustice and the other we fight against our own weaknesses. There is no dearth of brave young men and women in India. If they get the right opportunity, they can soar high and compete with other nations in every field. The enemy cannot hurt us if we all Indians become one. Unity is strength. A man's country is not a certain area of land, of mountains, rivers, and woods, but it is a principle, and patriotism is loyalty to that principle. Proud of my country. Happy National Unity Day. There's a lot of strength in unity. Without it, there is weakness and fear. Unity is a strength, and when there are teamwork and collaboration, beautiful things can be achieved. Happy National Unity Day. Congratulations, it is the National Day of our motherland. Let us celebrate this day in a way so grand. Always have a patriotic feeling in your heart, let the essence of this day always stay close and never be apart. Happy National Unity Day. We have one heart, and one love, let's feel the same for all. Happy National Unity Day.